Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. My name is Lina. I'm doing videos related to luxury, lifestyle and travel. Today I will have a Chanel Beauty unboxing that I would love to share with you. I know that many people on YouTube already got these items, but I just want to share mine, and I also show you what would fit inside, how I would convert it into a camera bag, a crossbody bag, like a YSL or a Chanel camera bag. And I will also do some mug shots so you can see how it would look on my body frame. So let's get started. This is one of the holiday gift sets that I got from Chanel. I got this item from SaksFifthAvenue.com. And another one I got is from Macy. It's in here. So I got unboxed one by one and show you what I got in here. Okay, so I love when they wrap with a ribbon like this, especially from Chanel holiday ribbons. Look at this. It is so pretty, right? Black and gold. Yeah, I always keep these and reuse it for different purposes, like I can make a hair tie, headband, or just wrap different items, or just for decoration. So here's the box that I got. Let's unbox it and see what's inside. Okay, so here is the Chanel pouch in black. It has a gold Chanel logo here. Wow, it is so pretty. Let's take a close look. You can see it has like shimmery material, and it has Chanel on the zipper pull too, in gold, and the zipper is in gold hardware. Alright, now we take a look inside, see what comes with this gift set. This gift set comes with 3 lip gloss. You probably already seen this, but I just want to show you. So here are the colors that I got. Wow, neutral colors. I think I love this color the most, but let's do swatches on my arm so we can see how it is. This color is Rouge Cocoa Gloss number 744. Look at this. Here is the color. Very nice. It smells really good too. Yeah. Let's try the next one. This is Rouge Cocoa Gloss number 722. Okay. Here is the second color. I'm not sure if it shows clear in here. One is more pink and one is more like a beige color, neutral color. Yeah, very nice. And here is the last one, Rouge Cocoa Gloss number 119. You can see here the last color. So here are all 3 colors from this gift set. Now let's unbox the second one. It is in this bag right here. I love getting these bags, especially at the store. They wrap it with a beautiful ribbon. This gift set I got from Macy's store. So let's unbox it. Let's see what else I got in here. Here it is. Another cosmetic pouch in red color. I love this red color. Look at the shimmery look. And it has Chanel logo on here. Also on the zipper pull right here. It has gold tone zipper. Let me get what's in here. Let me also put this one on here so you can see it in the camera. Okay, so this set comes with, this is long wear lip pencil. It comes with a sharpener as well. Very nice. It has the Chanel on the sharpener. Very nice. And let's see this color. Wow, beautiful red. Let me show you a close look of this one. It is Rouge Allure Ink Fusion number 8182 red. Let me do a swatch. Wow, look at this red. Wow, so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at this. I just put a very light swatch and it comes out very dark and bright. Beautiful color. And it is drying. Then you can see when it's dry, it becomes more matte. Yeah. Let's put this away and see this one. Look at this pencil. I'm gonna try it on here so you can see. It is so pretty. It is pencil, but it is very soft, very smooth when you put it on the skin. This side comes with a brush. Oh wow, it is so soft. Yeah. Just playing with it. Look at this. Let me put a little more color on here. With this crayon, I don't think I need to use the brush, but it's just an extra, so you can use it with the lipstick. They are the same tone. You already saw the swatches on my hand. Now let's see what would fit inside these pouches. Let's take a look at this one, red one right here. No zip pocket, just one big compartment. So let's try with the mini pochette first. This is Louis Vuitton mini pochette from the Christmas animation, the collection of this year. Okay, so it fits in perfectly. Let me show you, kind of compare so you can see it. It is smaller than the pouch, so it definitely fits in here. Yeah. See if my 6 key holder fit in. And here is the hand sanitizer. Nowadays, everywhere you go, they do have hand sanitizer. I still have my own hand sanitizer in my bag, just in case. Never know, right? And here is the card holder. Okay, so they all fit in here. Let's zip it up. Okay, so you can see a little bulging on the side here because of the 6 key holder. Yeah, so you can use this as a clutch. Very nice, right? Yeah, but I'm gonna take these out and let's do some hack. See if I can convert it into a camera bag. I never had a camera bag, so this will be my first camera bag if I can make it. Yeah, so this year Chanel made this pouch with 2 pieces on the side. I'm gonna use a scissor to cut it. I have a scissor right here. Let's see. If you look at the side, they have stitches on 2 sides. So I just gonna go inside, cut the stitches in here. You can see here after I cut 2 sides, then I can poke my scissor through. So do the same on this side. Okay, so this side is done. Mission accomplished. Now I'm gonna attach the chain and do some mop shot so you can see how it is. Here it is. The chain is already attached. Here is how it looks as a crossbody bag, and here it is as a shoulder bag. But I love it as a crossbody bag. So that is how it looks with the chain as a crossbody bag. The camera bag, my first camera bag ever. So now let's do something with these ribbons. They are beautiful in two different colors, black and gold and white and gold. Yeah, so I actually got only one box with the ribbon. When I got it at Macy's, they wrap it for me, but when I ordered it from SaksFifthAvenue.com, they didn't wrap it. So I asked the SA if I could have two ribbons in two different colors. Yes, because they are so pretty, right? Now let me make this one into a camera bag and use this ribbon. And this is the Chanel pouch that I convert into the camera bag with the ribbon from the holiday packaging. It is so cute, right? I'm gonna show you some mop shots so you can see how it is. And here is the black one as a shoulder bag or as a shoulder bag. It is so cute, right? Now I have two camera bags in two different colors, red and black. They are so cute, right? I can't wait to take picture with these. I'm gonna carry the black one and the red one. I'm gonna let my daughter carry it so we can take pictures together for the holidays because these pouches would look great for the holidays. I actually wanted to get the gift set with the lotion, you know, the egg lotion, and it comes with a black pouch like this. But because it already sold out, I love these, but I wish that I could get the other one. They all sold out. When it first came out, I already saw it on the website, but I was so busy. I thought that I could wait for a few days because I wanted to get more things from the website. So by the time I went back to the website to add into the cart, they are all sold out. Yeah, so I could only get this one with the 3 lip gloss, and even this one, it all sold out too. There are more different type gift set in the same pouches in red and black, but I didn't really want those set. So I decided to go with this one. I really wanted to get this pouch, so I went out to Saks Fifth Avenue and also Neiman Marcus, and they all sold out at stores. So on the way leaving Lenox Square, I just stopped at Macy's, see if they have it, and I found this one at Macy's store. Yeah, so glad that I could get this. Yeah, so now I have black and red, so I have 2 camera bags. And these gift sets are so great for Christmas, you know, for family or friends, because they are less than $100 for each. I think this one is $90 or $92, and this one is $72. Yeah, I gonna have it somewhere here because I'm not sure. I forgot how much they are, but I'm gonna insert it somewhere here. If you buy these lipstick or lip gloss individually, it costs about the same price of the gift set, but with the gift set I think only $2 to $4 more, but you can get the pouch, especially from Chanel. This year they made it so cute with the tab right on the sides. We can convert it to camera crossbody bag. I'm so happy that I could get these 2 colors this year. Here I am at Lenox Square. Look at how busy the mall. Yeah. It is 40 days until Christmas from today. So everywhere is busy. The Christmas tree is up. Wow, it is so crowded. Everywhere, every store. Look at how crowded. Look at the tree, Christmas tree, so beautiful. They are already ready for Christmas pictures. Okay, so here I am inside the mall already. It took me like 15 minutes to look for a parking space. It is so crowded today, and all the Christmas decoration is up. And the mall is so crowded. Look at the elevator. I love the spirit of Christmas. Love looking at the decoration, how busy the mall. But nowadays, it seems, it's not safe to be around with many people. So this is another store that I want to come in and check to see if they have it. People shopping for Christmas, probably. So crowded. Okay, so I finally got it at Macy's. I just passed by and just stopped here, and they have it here. So glad they have it. And that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell below to get notified every time I upload a new video, which will be every week. I also love to have you join my Facebook and Instagram so we can be friends and share our interests about luxury and lifestyle. I'm looking forward to see you back in my next video. Have a fabulous day and a beautiful life. Bye-bye.